Good morning, YouTube. Joe the Car Chameleon here with my 18 Ram 1500. Got a little Pantera Cowboys from Hell on in the background. Of course, I don't want to play it and get in trouble from YouTube. So anyway, it's not 100 degrees. The temperature sensor is pointed directly into the sun, so well, it's 101 now. That'll flatten out when I start this and everything. So as you can see, 573 miles on the 18 Dodge Ram. And today I want to get a little more sound out of the exhaust, but I am not going to put an exhaust in here. On my previous 16, I had MagnaFlow. I've been looking at the Carvin, which sounds really, really good, but I don't know, with these 8-speed transmissions and if it's in the eco mode and searching for gears and things like that, I don't know. Sometimes the sound is not the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my K&N air filter in there, take that stock airbox out, put the K&N in, and I'm going to take a before and an after audio sound clip and see if there's any difference at all. I'm not looking for performance. I'm just looking for a little bit of sound. So let me get to work on that, and we'll start taking some video clips. Here we go. All right, so here's the stock airbox, and I'm not going to bother, making a video on how to take this out. It's very simple, and there's probably 1,000 videos on how to do it there. Basically, you want to take that sensor out, take the collar off the throttle body, and just remove the airbox, and then you replace it with the K&N unit. It's a very simple process. Should only take me about 15-20 minutes to do. Like I said, I don't want to video that because it's been played to death, I'm sure. So basically it's only like 5 minutes later, and these are the components that came off. And like I said, it comes off very easily. The stock airbox actually just lifts out. So here's the components that are out, and I will install a K&N now. All right, so a couple of rookie mistakes, but had it in about 20-30 minutes. Lost a piece of hardware, had to find something, but other than that, I think I can't remember if it's a 13 through 18 are pretty much the same kind of installation. I know that K&N provides a different airbox here. Some of these airlines are different on some of the other models, so this dip had to be installed into here. So that's really the only difference, I think, and that's 16 or 15 and above. I'm not really sure. And 19, I have no idea. So pretty clean install, and I'll fire it up and see if we got any sound difference or if this is just a showpiece. All right, so I really didn't hear any difference, maybe a little bit under throttle, just revving it in the driveway. So I'm just going to take it for a quick ride right here and honestly see if I can hear any difference. It's 1,000,000 degrees out today. Windows are up. Ventilated seat is on. AC is on. So these are the 321 gears. And hey, look at that. That looks like the one I used to have. That's pretty funny. Anyway. So I'm going to cruise along. I don't have the Eco is not going to come on. It's because I have it I shifted with these things manually over here. So Eco's not going to come on, but I'm going to come up to a intersection over here, and we'll just spin it around, give it a little gas, and honestly see if I can hear anything. Today's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there and any veteran dads out there. Thank you so much for serving our country and allowing me to have the freedoms that I have because of you. I love and support all of you guys, and I can't say thank you enough. Reminds me here going by our local cemetery, and they do a nice job honoring our veterans with the flags. And I'm sorry for all the fathers that couldn't be with us today. I'm fortunate enough to still have my pain in the ass father around. I love him to death. And I can't wait to see him a little bit later. We're going to do some barbecuing and stuff. But I'm going to spin this around and just give it a little gas and see what we got here. I doubt I'm going to hear anything. But maybe under acceleration it might give me a little sound. I doubt it. Looks like I am going to have to do an exhaust. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's a little different. A little different. Of course, I'm not, being an asshole or anything like that by smashing the gas or anything. Just a little acceleration there so I can see and hear what's going on. Let's make sure nobody's coming up here and downshifted a couple of gears. Right now it says it's in 6th, and that's all I'm going in. Let's downshift it a little bit, see if I can hear it. Yeah, okay, so there is a little bit sound difference. It's not much. It's not going to be in the exhaust note. It's just going to be in the cab. So for me, it's worth it to just put this on. Who knows, maybe if I drive like a human being, I'll squeeze another half mile to the gallon out of this, and with gas, $3 plus a gallon, anything will help. But thank you guys very much. Again, happy Father's Day. And it's K&N air filter. I recommend putting it on. If you couple it with an exhaust, you're going to get a really, really nice aggressive sound. Have a great day, everyone.